Using only noises, no words. I like each player to communicate a person, an activity, and a thing.
Have you started?
No. These are great.
Okay.
That was really, really good, by the way. That was...
I'm going to say it's Elvis riding a horse with an electric drill. And I feel pretty confident about it.
Maybe take another guess.
No.
And I would say all three of them.
Oh, no! No! Adele?
Okay. It's not.
Beyonce fucking a guinea pig with an electric toothbrush.
No.